Brian Montague. I'm with Triangle Stormwater Solutions. We are on a site in Fuquay Marina, North Carolina that had over 4 inches of rain this past week, or in a 48-hour period. You can see we had pyramids on this street. You can see how much washing we had. We tried to put in berms to stop the water so that we could force it to go into boxes as they go down. But we're going to go set up all the way down at the end. We just wanted to give you a good idea how much erosion that we had. The soil's notorious for moving, and we're going to go down all the way to the end. There's 2 boxes down there, that last berm that we're going to try to, or we're going to clean. We're going to see how much sediment really got in the boxes. So let's reset the camera and go down this way. Okay, we've moved down the hill. We've gotten down to the lowest point. Marco's getting ready to start cleaning these 2 inlets off, and we'll see how much sediment got in the boxes and so forth and so on. We'll see how long it takes this crew to do pretty much completely filled with silt up to the top. How long it takes them to clean this, get them back on, and be ready to move on to the next set of boxes. Okay, guys. Bring the camera over. We're just going to walk the camera over. You can see how much, really no sediment at all in the box. Just a few rocks that just fell in. We were using a stone saver, we wouldn't even have that. To pick these pyramids up, they weigh about 40 pounds or so. It's not that big a deal. We just do that a lot of times when we first pick it up, just because there's some suction there. It makes it a little easier on the guys, but you can do it either way. You can do it manually, or you can do it with a machine. Now they're getting ready to finish up the other box, and get an idea how long it's going to take for them to do 2 boxes side by side here. is just some cleanup that Marco's getting ready to do. Go ahead and finish cleaning up. We didn't use stone savers again here. Just want to show how fast it is. That's 2 boxes completely redone with no sediment in the pipe. That's going to be it for today. We'll see if these storms move back in this afternoon, and we'll go from there tomorrow. Thank you.